I gotta put my glove back on. I'm right here.
These ones are super heavy. See, look.
Oh, I can hear them humming.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not all that great, so.
Oh, yeah.
So far they haven't messed with me, so.
We have lots of honey, so that's kind of cool. It's a beauty, huh?
Yep.
That's more honey there. You're capped off.
Yep.
Yep. We got 3 honey. Oh, wow, 3 honeys. They're expecting some kind of cold winter here. Yeah, and what is this? What is that black, Richard?
That's, I don't know.
What is that black?
I don't know if maybe that's the start of a, I don't know, I have to look that up. That's new to me.
I've never seen anything like that.
What I need to do, see here, down here where they're creating honeycombs along
Yeah,
the bottom.
yeah, you gotta scrape that off.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna back off a little bit. I don't want to get stung because I'm allergic and I don't have EpiPen. So. He is getting rid of the honeycomb on the outside. So.
Well, it's continuing to build on.
But they're doing pretty good. I mean,
Damn well.
yeah.
I'm gonna leave that one alone.
Yeah, these guys are getting really. By next spring, we should be ready for a breakaway from this hive here to put in the other hive.
That's what we're hoping to split. Try not to get these guys too mad at me.
Babe, I don't want them mad at me because I don't. It's gonna fall, baby. Oh,
Boy,
wow.
it feels heavy too.
Wowie.
I don't know how to describe it, but
Yeah, it's beefy, right? What is that? Oh, you know what that is? That's honey.
yes, this
You
is honey.
you scraped it off and it's honey.
Yep.
That's what that is. Yep. Mmm. Boy.
These guys, they're all buried in here.
What's a queen?
It's
Oh
black,
yeah.
But
Wow.
they're all
Yeah.
working on
Yeah,
it.
that's all honey in there, baby. Wow. We got a very healthy hive, baby.
Yeah,
There
but
you
see,
go.
it's down here. It's stuck now on the.
Okay, you need to put it. You need to take this and take it back. Wow. You need to take that off, Richard. Right? I think you need to get your helmet back on, babe.
So, see, this is
Yep.
larva.
Yep, that's larva. Yep.
These yellow ones.
Yep, that's larva.
Is larva. Yep.
There's nothing you can do about
There's
it.
some
They're
honey, but it's still, see, a nice shape. A little bit irregular over here.
Yeah, they got it situated. No.
But this
right.
yellow is larva.
Yep. The queen might even be in here, but I can't. Queen
Should
might.
have brought like a piece of wood over here.
Yep.
Maybe I'll just do it off here. Off to
Yeah,
the
just
side.
to the side there, which would be good. I should do it pretty quick. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, now they're pissed, baby.
No, they just don't.
Just something.
That was it for that one.
Put that back now, right? Oh. That was an apple. Yep. You still got another. You guys still got another.
This is what I see. This is what I see sometimes over
Yep.
here.
What?
You see inside,
Yep, I see that.
in between the frames.
Yep, I see that.
Yeah,
Well, you're gonna have to take that off once
Yep,
you get
I'm
all
gonna-
these guys. Okay, honey, I think this is more uncomfortable than what I want.
Okay.
Babe, please put something on.
I'm gonna put these back in.
Yeah, get suited up if you want to go further down, because these are a lot of bees, babe.
I want to get to that one down below.
Well, yeah, but you're not suited up for it, baby.
Oh no, these are not aggressive bees, Annie.
Okay. Well, they all seem to be right around your whole body right there. See if I can zoom in on it. They're all looking like they want to sting him. Wow, that's all honey, Richard. There's honey. They got a mixture of honey and larvae. That's a mixture of honey and larvae. Look at all that honey. Wow. Those are larvae and honey. It's a mixture. Wow. Dang. Oh, Richard, they're all like right behind you, baby. There's like 100 of them behind you. Nope, they're landing on you now. But they can make, yeah, the queen can make more. We know that the queen is doing her job, which is a good thing. Yeah, they're landing on you, honey.
Yeah, they're not happy because I'm cleaning out the hive.
Okay, I can't watch this anymore. This is too much. Are you gonna be okay, babe? I see what they're trying to do. They're trying to get into their hive. They were waiting for you to get out of the way.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, now they're not going to be bothering you. They need to get in.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
They all just went right to the door right there.
And this is just, they're getting out of control here. But
You only got one more box after this one, so. And you have nowhere to. Do you want me to go bring it?
the whole thing,
Do you want me to go bring you a piece of wood or something?
this is the next one. No.
No, are
I'm
you
just gonna
done?
Start putting them.
Back together?
All I'm going to do is move them over one.
Just, yeah, it's a good idea. And then let them it's early in the day, so they're capable of reorganizing themselves.
That one's just so busy right there. I can't squeeze it together.
Well, you have to do your best, baby.
Give them a mile.
Yeah, I know, right? I know, right?
I push everything that way, and they pushed it back this way with their activity.
Oh boy, I gotta go. Okay. Wow. From afar, I can watch you. Oh, they're buzzing my head. Wow. Nice, babe. That's one healthy hive, babe. You did a good job. You did a yeah, fabulous job. And that's the last one, huh? We definitely got to expand next year, babe. So, have you seen any queen? Queen.
More about cleaning it up.
Okay.
But obviously, she's in here someplace.
Obviously, yeah.
Hardly any, but you can see they're busy.
Yeah, they are. They're building on that one too. Good. Nice. Very nice, honey.